Hi everyone. Today in this video I will demonstrate how to use the function concatenate in Excel to join two strings. In this example, I am going to create a list of day 1 to day 14 for a family trip. If I don't know concatenate function, I may do it by typing manually day 1 and day 2 and day 3. For example, it's easy for a limited number of words, but let's say if not 14 days, but we need 1400 day. It's not easy to typing manually, so in this case we should use concatenate function. How to do that? First, I will demonstrate what is concatenate. Concatenate is the join of the string of many cell in a sheet. So for example, I typing day and typing 1 here and typing equal concatenate here. It's concatenate, and then choose the cell with day and comma and choose the cell with 1 and close brackets and hit enter. You can see the days 1 now join, day and 1 now join only one cell. So on that basis I will create the list of 14 days by using concatenate. But first I should delete this rel. Then now I will do it by click equal for function, for formula, and then hit concatenate here, and then choose this one and comma and choose plus 1 and comma. But we need to stable to ensure a cell day will not be changed when we copy the formula. So in that case, for A5 we will make it an absolute cell by hit F4 and then hit enter, and then now we can automatically fill right the whole number by doing this. Now you can see we have a list of 14 days automatically.